Alright, this is third map. As you can see, it's 3-3. This is Labors. Disputing ass bitch. Watch this kid choke now. Watch this shit. This kid chokes so hard. It is ridiculous. Alright, so I go right here. I'm looking up, make sure he doesn't rush my long haul. It's still 3-3. I knife that so I can hear that young plant at the A-bomb. Alright, now this fool sees me. He knows I'm in that corner. Watch what this kid does. Look at this. He knows I'm in that corner. Look at this. He stuns me. Alright, let's go back and look at my screen. Look at this. Look at this shit. I am stunned out of my life. So I'm like, I gotta challenge this kid. 3-3 YOLO. Oh shit, I'm one shot. Oh, get outgunned! Oh, win 4-3. Get the fuck off me for that final kill cam. Easy fucking read. Let's fucking go. Look at that victory. 4-3. He choked and he fucking disputed. I'm done. Look at that. Labors. He even saved the game for the scoreboard. I am done. This kid's gonna make a living. Look at that. Alright. GG, homie.